Hey, John Flatt here. I wanted to take a few minutes to walk you through what I would call the magic bullet. I have been asked over and over again because I built two very large companies that were very successful. What is the magic bullet? Well, there may be a lot of secret sauce that other people have, but my secret sauce has always been advertising technology and working in the digital ad space. You learn quite a bit about technology and data and optimization and really how to use online advertising to grow companies. Now, it's not the only aspect of growing a company, but in this day and age, it is very, very important. So I wanted to take a few minutes to show you exactly what this magic bullet is and how it works and why anybody can do it. Anybody can apply what I'm about to show you in module 1 through 3, and you're borrowing from a few of the other modules as well too, but this works every time. This is what I call the magic bullet, modules 1 through 3. Here we go. The magic bullet, and this thing that is mathematical, it's data, it's optimization that I have seen work 100% of the time. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use module 1, 2, and 3 to create what I would call the magic bullet. So, foundation is so key to building out this process because you have to understand what you're doing. And how are you going to do that? Well, you need to understand, what do you want to create? That starts with vision. That starts with, what is your big vision? What is it you want to give to the marketplace? And why is it valuable? Your marketplace, you need to understand your marketplace, understand your competition, understand the growth trajectory of your marketplace, and get every little detail you can so you understand exactly how to compete within that marketplace. Looking at your competitions, your strengths, your opportunities, your weakness, your threats. You need to understand all of this stuff, because what happens is you move into the next module with a very clear understanding of what your company is and why it's valuable to the marketplace. Now you start turning that into language. You start turning that into an actual elevator pitch, and you turn it into an offer. And then you understand profiling, meaning, who is the perfect client that is going to buy your product or service, profiling that person and understanding what they're all about. Okay, so now you have laid your foundation, and now you're coming up with your messaging, you're coming up with your offer, you're coming up with your perfect client profile. Then you move to module 3. This is where the magic starts to happen. So now we have the internet. We have this vast amount of reach. We can literally reach millions and millions of very targeted prospects. Now, you've done the work. You did the messaging. You came up with your offers. You came up with your client profiles. Now, where's the best place to find them? And what technologies can we use, and what data can we use to figure out exactly what's working and what's not working? And we will figure that out. That is the magic. And so once you have the combination of the right message with the right offer with the right prospect, then you are able to reach out to those prospects, and you're able to use data to make sure that you're targeting and you're optimizing. You now will be able to scale your company in an incredible way, unlike anything you've ever imagined. It works. I've seen it work every time. Now, you're going to get little bits and pieces from some of these other modules to help as well too. If your funnel includes a lead gen and you're actually doing phone calls, you're going to need to learn a little bit on how to sell in order for this to work. But when you have combined this sort of mathematical equation of messaging, offer, profile, technology, and reach, you have something that is tremendously special. And that is how you use each one of these modules 1, 2, 3, and you're going to pick and choose from some of the others in certain areas, depending on what your funnel is. This works every time. This is the magic bullet. So, the magic bullet technique is just one example of the Guardian CEO and how to use the program. And you can see that it is incredibly valuable. There are literally thousands of scenarios that exist within the Guardian CEO, like what I just showed you. And so, if you want more information, just click below. But I assure you, you have never seen a program that is more valuable than this one.